Okay, I'm making this post on the Ben Eater subreddit because I am having an issue with the computer. So I just got it on PCB. I'm using his schematic, his everything. All I did was modify that text there, which shouldn't be causing this issue. Now this is the issue that I'm having. I'm going to go into program mode in the RAM, just program that random value in there. Go back into run mode. Doesn't really matter what the value is. That's not what the issue is about. Okay, so there's the clock. I'm going to single step it. All of my RAM deletes. It might be hard to see, but let me focus on that. Okay. You see how the three lights that are on are supposed to be on. RAM out, instruction register in, counter enable. All lights that are supposed to be on. Okay. But the RAM deleted itself. It's on the same address. The address is perfectly fine. There it is. So now if I hit the next step, it does nothing because it loads a no op from RAM, which makes sense. And you see how the counter's now a 1? Okay, there's a 1 on the bus. My RAM reads in a 1. Even though memory in is what's being said, not RAM in, memory in, and counter out. Okay, so if I click again, now it says RAM out, instruction register in, counter enable, and the RAM is a 0. It loads in, and then it does nothing. Okay, now I'm on the second step in the program counter. It is empty. Okay. Oh, that was just a bounce. But you see how whatever's in the program counter, whenever it is time 0, whenever it is, I'm sorry, my phone. Whenever it is time 0, whatever is in the program counter goes into the RAM's actual value and corrupts the RAM, and then at time 2, I'm stuck with having a 0 here. At time 1, I'm stuck with having nothing in my RAM, and the program counter is working perfectly fine. Isn't that something is not soldered or anything? I mean, I just went over every single connection. I'm sorry that I had to put my phone on. I'm going to flip it over. I've went over every single connection. The only thing I haven't done yet is I haven't cleaned it with anything. I don't know what I'd clean it with. So yeah, that's the issue that I'm having, is that I can't utilize the computer because everything in RAM automatically deletes. If I keep it in program mode, it'll read whatever I put into the RAM just fine. Like, I can run a program. If I put it into program mode and single step through it, the RAM works perfectly fine. It's just that something here is causing it to corrupt. I'm using his code in the Arduino IDE. It's the same code. Like, I literally just downloaded his code. All I did was add a few new commands, but they're all properly set up. Memory in, memory address register in, I/O. Yeah, there's nothing. Like, even if I put in a load A, it doesn't. It still corrupts. Yeah, if you have any possible solutions, that would be great.